Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We so appreciate you for tuning in. And if you're returning, welcome back. We cannot do this without you all. So today y'all know it is Tuesday. Yes, and Tuesday is what? I can't hear y'all, say it louder. Tuesday is what? Yes. Tablescape Tuesday. You got it right. Tablescape Tuesday. So what I'm going to be bringing to you today is a Valentine tablescape. Yes, I'm going ahead and putting it out there so to give you guys some ideas if you want to set up your table for Valentine's Day. And if you guys don't mind, all I need for you all to do is watch the video from the beginning to the end, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and leave me some comments down below, and I will read them and I will respond to you, whether it's a heart or it's a full comment. I appreciate any support you give to the channel. Now, Tablescape Tuesday is by The Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. So go over and check out those beautiful ladies' channels and let them know that At Home with Lisa sent you guys over. And this is a freestyle week, so you can create whatever it is that you want to create for Tablescape Tuesday. And don't forget to do hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 24. That way they can see your video and add it to the playlist. And in the playlist, your video will be there along with all the other content creators who decided to participate in Tablescape Tuesday. And don't forget YouTube etiquette. All right, you guys, let's get into this Valentine tablescape. I'm going to start off this tablescape by adding my runner. And this is a black and white heart runner, something that I already had. So guys, this tablescape is going to be a true budget-friendly tablescape. I haven't purchased anything new for this tablescape. I'm only bringing back things that I've already had in the past years. But I so love this black and white heart tablescape. And y'all, I cannot even remember where I got it from. But if I remember before the end of the video, I will definitely let you guys know. All right, you all, let's go to the next step. With this tablescape, I am doing something a little bit different. So generally, I may bring out some placemats. So instead of using the regular or known placemats, I have decided to take these black and white polka dot napkins and use those as placemats. So I am creating a tablescape for 4. So I have 4 of these napkins placed here for my placemats. I have never used napkins for my placemats before, so I want to try something different, and also to give you different ideas of how and what you can use to create a beautiful and fabulous tablescape. To add a little bit of fabulosity to this Valentine tablescape, I'm going to come in with these black glittery charger plates. They are so beautiful. They are giving a great shine and just a little bit of contrast throughout this tablescape. I think it looks really nice so far. And if you notice, if you watch my tablescapes, sometimes I'll start off with the centerpiece, and sometimes I'll start off with just creating the tablescape. So this time I decided to do the centerpiece last, and the centerpiece will be presented at the reveal. So don't click off. And I forgot to tell you guys to grab your drink and grab your snack. But if you've been watching me for a while, you already know what to do. Grab your drink and grab your snack. Sit back and relax and enjoy this Valentine tablescape. So to get away from some of the black and white that we have here, I wanted to bring in somewhat of a dramatic piece in this tablescape. So I decided to add this plate here that is red and white and trimmed in silver. And it can also be somewhat of a conversation piece as well too. So I'm bringing in this red and white pattern here into this tablescape. And I just need for you guys to trust the process, because y'all know we have some people who are just strictly, you know, black and white. That's all they see. They don't see adding patterns or different colors or textures through decorating. But me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna press the button and I'm going to try to create something that you haven't seen before. So that's what I'm doing here with this tablescape. So now I'm coming back in with just a solid black plate. And that is toning down the dramatic plate, the dramatic red and white plate that I added here. You only see it on the outskirts of the dinnerware. So far, it's giving me a great look. This tablescape is all about Valentine. So why not bring in a red hearted plate? Yes, I'm pulling in everything that I possibly can for this Valentine tablescape. And if you look closely, you notice that I don't have the plates positioned straight up. I kind of have them slanted. And like I said, with this Valentine tablescape, I'm trying to do something a little bit different than what I did in 2023. And this is my first tablescape of 2024. So just to give you guys a few ideas on how you can create a tablescape. And again, I have not purchased anything so far that I have used on this table. These are things that I'm bringing from the years past. So as you all can see here, I tried to make a heart napkin. I tried my best. That's my first time trying to make a heart napkin, but I think it'll be easier if you had like a silk or just a cloth napkin. This one is kind of, the material is kind of thick and it has love and hearts on it. But yes, this is my heart napkin. I think you can see that it is a heart in at least 3 of them. Again, I'm trying to bring something different, trying to do something new here. So yeah, these are my heart napkins. Y'all appreciate my hard work in trying to create these heart napkins. This one turned out pretty good, I think. That one turned out pretty good. And let's go check on this one over here. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I can see a heart there. I can see a heart there. All right, you guys, let's continue with this tablescape. All right, love bugs. So I went and added the silverware inside my heart napkin here, as you can see. And then I added these mugs, black and white with different designs on them. And this is something that I did purchase in probably December. And so I got these mugs from, I want to say Hobby Lobby. I think that's where I got these from, Hobby Lobby. So I did purchase those from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were just so stinking cute. And then there's the polka dot one. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I am using repetition with this tablescape. I have the dots, the polka dots, the black and white, and I have the hearts throughout, and I have the colors red, black, and white throughout the tablescape. All right, you all, just hold tight, grab onto your seats, and I'm coming back with the final reveal. Notice, guys, we have nothing in the center of our table. So we're coming back with the centerpiece. All right, love bugs, we are here with the reveal. And I always say don't click off, because you know me, I will change something in a heartbeat. All right, are y'all ready for this reveal? All right, here we go. So I did go back and switch this. I added this pink, like a dark pink and white swirly bowl. And then I added the heart plate on top of that. So I did change that. And if you're just tuning in, you missed the treat of me putting this together. So just go back and watch at your convenience. So this is our Valentine tablescape, our first tablescape Tuesday of 2024. And here is our centerpiece. Now I have a whole video on how I created this centerpiece here, and the title of it is let's see, it was the Reese Galore collaboration, and I did a Valentine DIY yardstick centerpiece. I'll just put the title up here of the video up here in the corner, so you guys can go back and watch how I created this if you missed that video. But that is our centerpiece. And this is our Valentine Tablescape. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, I have the polka dot ribbon there, as well as throughout this tablescape. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. I cannot do this without you guys. And also too, it helps the channel grow by giving it a thumbs up, and also by watching the video in its entirety and leaving a comment. And if you just feel like being extra supportive, share the video out if you can. And all I did was just add this cute little candle right here in the middle, just to give it a little bit of an ambiance. Well, okay, love bugs, again, thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to go over and check out the Grace Life DIY Home Decor along with Amethyst Adventures. And if you decide to subscribe or make a comment on their video, just let them know that At Home with Lisa sent you guys over. And also don't forget, if you're interested in creating a tablescape, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 24. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. I hope y'all enjoyed this.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.